Introducing the all-new range of basing bits. We're adding 7 fresh themes to our collection, packed in full and ready to embrace your armies. Featuring high-resolution print for insane detail, and crafted right here in our forges to meet our own hobby standards. Skulls and bones?
No doubt.
Saguaro Cacti?
You got it.
Chaos Shards?
Damn right.
These bits are made to help you build your scenes, full of character, sharpness, and set to bring your worlds to life. Gnarled Branches?
Absolutely.
Forest mushrooms?
Straight up.
Barrel cacti?
You know it.
Ancient columns?
Hell yeah.
They're back?
Yeah.
GamersGrass basing bits. Your ground also deserves a story.